Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to quickly set up subdomain on your website. Like now, if you have a domain and you want to create a subdomain of it, probably let's say for example your website was something like, let me say your website was something like, something like bless.com. You can see, let's say it was something like bless.com, and you want to create a subdomain. You can create the subdomain something like, let me say your to now be something like test.bless.com. So now you might want to install another website on this particular one. So I'm going to be showing you how to go through how to create this subdomain easily from your cPanel. So without further ado, let's go straight into the tutorials. Hello guys, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from Bless channel. In case you just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video, or so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload content like this. So to carry on with this, I've actually logged into my cPanel, to my account. Actually make use of HammorWeb in case you want to make use of this particular same hosting I'm actually using. Just check in the description box below. I'm going to be adding a link to this particular site where you can purchase your own hosting from them and make use of. Actually, they are very reliable and you are not going to break your bank using them. So I'm going to just from here, I'm going to click on where we have cPanel. So I'm going to click on cPanel. So you might have already have your website already linked to this for you to be able to create subdomain. So now let's go to where, now I'm going to scroll down. Okay, sorry. In some other cases, if you are using a different host than what I'm using, you can just come maybe here and search for subdomains. You can search for subdomains here. You can just search for subdomain and it's going to come out if you're using a different domain hosting than mine. So but if you're using this particular, you're using my own hosting, this particular hosting, while still on this particular site, you can see why I'm still on my services product details. You're just going to scroll down a little. You're going to see on this section, you will see subdomains. That's on the manage account. On the account section, you see subdomain. Just click on subdomains. I'm going to go control key and click so that it opens on a new tab. So I'm going to come here. You can see I have subdomains here now. So you can see I actually have like two already set down. So but now I'm going to create another one. For this tutorial, I'm going to create another one. Click on create. So once you click on the create, you're going to see it's going to pop this out for you. So now I'm going to, what is the name I want to use for this subdomain? Let me say I want to use tut. That's tut at, let me say this. Then at, now you select the main domain you want to create a subdomain to. So I'm going to make use of this particular one. This is the one I'm going to make use of, this particular one. So now this will be like the root folder is going to be on this. So you leave it the way it is. Then I'll click on create. So once you click on create, it's going to create this particular subdomain for you. So you just wait for it to finish everything it's going to do. Like you can say it has finished creating this subdomain. You can see subdomain has been created successfully, and you can see this is the subdomain here. Now let's test. Let's see if the subdomain is actually functional. Now let me just open it and come here. Okay, let me just make use of this. Let me click here and you can see it's more or less like it's a blank. There's nothing. If it opens now, there will be nothing on the domain. You can see it's just a blank space. So now let's just see how to add something to it. You can, sorry, I've actually, let me reopen it. Reopen close tab. Okay, let me now go back here. Now what I'm going to do, once you've done that, you've succeeded in creating your subdomain, what we're going to do now is I'm going to go back to my dashboard. I'm going to click on cPanel now, opening in a new tab, click on cPanel. So it's going to open up. What we're going to be doing is to create let's see, we are going to create a fourth WordPress installation of going to install WordPress on that particular subdomain. So I'm going to go to Superflux installer and click on add new. So once I click on add new, you're going to see, so I'm going to now select that particular one I just created. Now I'm going to now just fill in this whole info. I'm just going to fill it with sample details just for this particular tutorial sake. I'm going to just fill it with something. Just try and fill yours with some, just fill all of this part. Now I'm going to now just select and just, you can follow as you want. Now let me just use this as a database name. So I'm going to back up. I don't want it to back up. You can just set it the way you want, since this is for tutorial sake, that's why I don't. But you can actually make use of, I'm selecting anything for my choice. I'm going to choose select and then click on install. Once you do that, just save this. Once you do that, it's going to set up all this for you. You can see it's done. So now let's now refresh this particular page and see this particular page we are working on. This, you can see, wow, our website is now fully set up. You can see our website is set up. So now let's now try to log in to the site. So let's try to log into the site. You can see I've actually logged into my back end. So you can see it has logged me in, so I can do anything. I can go, you can see when I go to all, you can see this is the posts here, all you can see. So you can see this is simply how you create your own subdomain. You can create a subdomain for any website. You can see how it is. So this is how you create a subdomain for any website you want to use. So I believe you might have learned from this particular tutorial. In case you are finding any part difficult, you can just drop in the comment box below. I'll try my best to see how to answer. And in case you're still watching this video and you've not yet considered subscribing, please ensure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new videos. Until next time, bye for now.